Have you ever been certain about a past event only to discover that your memory of it doesn't align with reality? Welcome to the world of the Mandela Effect, a fascinating phenomenon where swaths of people remember something in a way that conflicts with historical records. This intriguing discrepancy isn't about minor forgetfulness, it's about collective misremembering on a grand scale. Take Nelson Mandela's death, for instance. Countless individuals vividly recall him dying in prison during the 1980s. However, in our accepted reality, Mandela lived until 2013, becoming South Africa's president after his incarceration. Another popular example involves a beloved children's book series. Many insist it's the Berenstain Bears, but alas, it's actually the Berenstain Bears. These instances might seem like simple errors, but they spark a larger conversation about the nebulous nature of memory and reality. The Mandela Effect then plays tricks on our collective memory, making us question the very nature of reality. Now, shifting gears, imagine if you could journey into the past or future. How would that change your perception of reality? Picture this, a world where time isn't a one-way street but a vast, intricate web, where you could step from one moment to another as easily as crossing the road. Welcome to the concept of time travel, a theoretical journey between different points in time, akin to the way we move between different points in space. Fascinating, isn't it? But let's not get ahead of ourselves. The concept of time travel, as enticing as it is, remains largely unproven in reality. But that hasn't stopped us from exploring the possibility. The theories around time travel are as diverse as they are intriguing. One of the most famous theories comes from none other than Albert Einstein. His theory of relativity postulates that time and space are interconnected in a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time. According to this theory, the faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. This is the closest we've come to the science of time travel, but it's not quite the Back to the Future scenario we're all hoping for. Then, there's the concept of wormholes. Wormholes are theoretical bridges through space-time, shortcuts that could, in theory, allow us to travel immense distances in the blink of an eye, or even journey to different eras. But as tantalizing as this theory sounds, it's important to note that wormholes are purely theoretical and have yet to be observed in our universe. So where does this leave us? Time travel, for the moment, is a concept deeply embedded in the realm of science fiction. From H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to the Doctor Who series, it has fueled countless stories, captivating our imagination and inspiring us to consider the possibilities. So while time travel remains largely within the realm of fiction, the theories surrounding it continue to captivate our imagination. What if the Mandela Effect is actually an evidence of time travel? Now that's a thought that can spin your head around, isn't it? Imagine for a moment that time travelers exist. They zip back and forth through the timeline, tweaking events here and there, causing ripples that alter our collective memory. The Mandela Effect, those instances of false collective memory, could very well be footprints left by these temporal tourists. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's consider the implications of this hypothesis. If altering the past can change our memories of it, then wouldn't each change create a new reality? And if that's the case, how many realities are we talking about? 10, 100, 1,000? An infinite number of realities, each one branching off from the last, like the leaves of a vast cosmic tree. And then there's the question of the butterfly effect. You know, the concept that even the smallest action can have significant effects on future events. If a time traveler so much as sneezes in the past, could they potentially change the course of history? Of course, this is all speculation. We have no definitive proof that time travel is possible, or that the Mandela Effect is anything more than a quirk of human memory. But it's a fascinating thought experiment, isn't it? It forces us to question our understanding of time, of reality, of our very existence. Perhaps the mysteries of the Mandela Effect and time travel are more intertwined than we realize. Both make us question our understanding of reality and invite us to explore the unknown. But until the day we can confirm or disprove these theories, they remain fascinating curiosities that tickle our imagination.